Hello everyone, welcome to Robotics Live. What we're seeing now is the stainless steel pressure vessel head welding site. Those familiar with this field know this welding process has an extremely high threshold. Under traditional manual welding, only senior welders with over 7 years of hands-on experience can barely meet basic quality standards. Even so, manual welding has clear drawbacks: low efficiency and uneven weld seams, which drastically increases subsequent grinding workload and makes it hard to ensure consistent workpiece appearance. Besides, traditional programmed robots can adapt to welding such curved workpieces, failing to deliver desired results. Now we adopt the intelligent welding process. As you can see, weld seams are uniform and neat, with a stable welding qualification rate of over 98%. This process effectively cuts rework rates, slashes extra costs from grinding and rework, boosts welding efficiency, and helps shorten project delivery cycles. We'll bring more application demos of LES intelligent welding process in different scenario iOS later. You're welcome to communicate and discuss with us anytime.